How to change the country of your Shopify store. Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do so. So first, we're just going to do a step that is necessary just in case because it may lock the option for you. So you just want to go to settings from your Shopify admin and you simply just want to go to the payments section. Once you go here, you're just going to go ahead and deactivate every single payment method that you have. For example, if you have PayPal activated, just simply click on deactivate and do the same thing for any other payment method. This could basically lock the option for you to change countries if you have anything activated in here. So this is why we are doing this step. So once we do this, within the settings tab, we want to go to general. We're just going to click on the business details, click on the three dots and click on edit. Now in here, we're just going to go ahead and select the country that we want and the business type. And you just want to you will need to also fill in the rest of the options available right here. So we are just going to select a different country and click on create entity once you select it. Next up, select the business type. I'm just going to go for individual and you want to fill out all of these things. So once that's done, you simply just want to click on confirm, and obviously you will need to change the tax forms and so on depending on the country that you change it to. This is quite obvious, so you will need to fill those out as well. And now basically your store is within the UK in my case, but obviously it's just going to depend on the country that you switched to. And yeah, this is pretty much all you need to do. You also may need to change the currency for your store, but you're pretty much done. Everything that you would get from the UK store would now be applied to your store, basically. So this is pretty much it for this video. Hopefully you found it to be informative and helpful. And for more information, subscribe to my YouTube channel. And thank you for watching.